Friends, today I found black ants in my garden. And black ants, alert, alert, it's a sign of danger. Then I started searching in my garden and immediately I found this chili plant which was full of mealybugs. It was hosting mealybugs. This chili plant has finished its fruiting and I should have removed it long back, but that is the mistake and I did not remove, and this weak plant is attacked by mealybugs. As you can see, I have removed the plant and uprooted it. Now I am going to give a shower to all my plants, and the shower is the garlic shower. Garlic is beneficial to us as well as our plants. For our plants there are two benefits. One is the sulfur in the water in the garlic is gives strength during winters to fight the chills to our plants. So it is very good to give garlic shower to our plants. And the next thing is, second thing, it removes all the pests. Like we hate the smell of garlic, even our pests hate the smell of garlic. So this garlic spray will be given to my plants today. Friends, in this bottle I have put garlic peels. Last week I had made ginger garlic paste, and all the garlic peels I had put in this bottle last week, 5 days back, and these were standing in this bottle since last 5 days. Now they are ready to be used. I will filter them and use them. This liquid will be diluted in 5 liters of RO water. Why I have taken RO water? Because RO will remove all the chlorine from the water, and it is better if we give RO water. If you don't want to give RO water, ordinary water also will do, no problem. Whatever is available we can use for our plants. Now I am going to filter this garlic water that I have made in this bottle, and this filter that I am using is very thick filter. It will not allow any particles to go into the water. It will give a clear water to me, so that the nozzle of my watering can will not get spoiled. I use this filter always. See, the water is very clear, and I will now pour this water into this watering can and mix it in this 5-liter water and use it as a shower for my plants. Friends, mealybugs secrete one sweet thing that attracts ants. So now this garlic water will go into the can, and this water will be used to shower all our plants. So that's how, when you see ants in your garden, you have to become very alert. The sweet thing attracted by secreted by mealybugs will attract ants. Friends, if you don't have garlic peels, don't worry. You can take one garlic and crush it into a smooth paste and use it the same way in the bottle. Keep it for, because this is the garlic, you can keep for 2-3 days. That will be enough, because that was garlic peel. I kept it for 5 days. Anyway, I don't want to waste anything, that's why I used it that way. Now giving a nice shower to our plants. This will remove, I have already removed the chili plant, and now I am going to give nice shower to all my plants. This pungent smell will remove all the insects that are there in any of the plants, remained in any of the plants. So friends, if you like the content of this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel Organic Gardening Mantra. Now I will give spray to all my plants. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.